Saturday, October 20th, we will be hosting the last 2018 Real Estate Expo. This expo is special. As you know, real estate market are changing. You are thinking of buying a home, investing in real estate. On this expo, my team and I will be showing you, giving you access to homes, including homes that you cannot see online. Our big homes are homes by motivated, highly motivated sellers, back foreclosure, short sales, homes that's previously listed, divorce sales, for sale by owners, homes that's hard to find online. And we also will be doing a very special session. If you are thinking of selling your home in today's real estate market, I'll be showing you on how to position yourself, how to make sure that you are the only homes in the entire series that have multiple offers. We call it through our RP home selling system. So looking forward to seeing you at the last expo of 2019, Hilton San Gabriel, Saturday, October 20th.